In the heart of a lush tropical landscape, where the air is thick with the scent of earth and rain, lies the world of jackfruit farming, a venture that promises both abundance and satisfaction. For aspiring farmers, the path to success in jackfruit cultivation is paved with knowledge, patience, and a touch of passion. Here are 10 secrets that can transform a novice into a skilled jackfruit farmer, ensuring a fruitful yield and a rewarding experience. The first secret is understanding the climate. Jackfruit trees thrive in warm, humid conditions, ideally between 25 to 35 degrees Celsius. They flourish in regions with well-distributed rainfall, making it essential to choose a location that meets these climatic requirements. A farmer must observe the local weather patterns and soil conditions before planting. The right climate not only supports growth, but also enhances fruit quality, making this the foundation upon which a successful jackfruit farm is built. Next comes the soil. Jackfruit trees prefer well-drained, loamy soil rich in organic matter. Conducting a soil test is crucial to determine its pH and nutrient levels. Ideally, the pH should range between 6 to 7. If the soil is too acidic or alkaline, amendments such as lime or sulfur can be added to create the ideal environment for growth. Fertile soil is the lifeblood of the jackfruit tree, and investing time in soil management will pay off in the long run, leading to healthier trees and more abundant fruits. The third secret involves selecting the right variety of jackfruit. There are two primary types, the sweet and the savory. Sweet varieties are often enjoyed fresh, while savory varieties are used in cooking. Depending on market demand and personal preference, farmers should choose varieties that are best suited for their target audience. Researching local preferences and conducting taste tests can guide this decision, ensuring that the chosen variety will be well received and profitable. Once the right variety is selected, the next step is proper planting. Jackfruit trees can be grown from seeds or grafted seedlings. Grafted seedlings tend to produce fruit faster and are more uniform in quality. When planting, spacing is crucial. Trees should be placed at least 10 to 15 feet apart to allow for their expansive canopy. This spacing not only promotes healthy growth, but also facilitates air circulation, reducing the risk of fungal diseases. Farmers must also ensure that the planting holes are deep enough to accommodate the root system, allowing the tree to establish itself firmly in the soil. Irrigation is another vital aspect of jackfruit farming. While jackfruit trees are relatively drought-tolerant once established, young trees require consistent moisture to thrive. Farmers should implement a reliable irrigation system, especially during dry spells. Drip irrigation is an effective method, delivering water directly to the roots and minimizing evaporation. Monitoring soil moisture levels will help determine when to water, ensuring that the trees receive just the right amount without becoming waterlogged. As the trees grow, the importance of nutrition cannot be overstated. Jackfruit trees are heavy feeders, requiring a balanced supply of nutrients to support their growth and fruit production. Regular applications of organic fertilizers, such as compost or well-rotted manure, can significantly enhance soil fertility. Additionally, foliar sprays containing micronutrients can be beneficial, particularly during the flowering stage when the trees are most vulnerable. Farmers should observe their trees closely, looking for signs of nutrient deficiencies, such as yellowing leaves or poor fruit set, and adjust their fertilization practices accordingly. Pest and disease management is the seventh secret to successful jackfruit farming. While jackfruit trees are generally resilient, they can be susceptible to pests like fruit flies and scale insects, as well as diseases such as root rot. Integrated pest management (IPM) practices should be adopted, combining biological control methods with cultural practices. Encouraging natural predators, like birds and beneficial insects, can help keep pest populations in check. Regular monitoring and early intervention are key to preventing infestations and ensuring the health of the trees. The eighth secret lies in the art of pruning. Pruning is essential for maintaining tree health, improving air circulation, and promoting better fruit development. Farmers should regularly remove dead or diseased branches and thin out crowded areas to allow sunlight to penetrate the canopy. Proper pruning not only enhances fruit quality, but also makes harvesting easier. Establishing a routine pruning schedule will keep the trees healthy and productive throughout their lifespan. As the trees begin to bear fruit, the importance of proper harvesting techniques becomes evident. Jackfruit is unique in that it does not ripen on the tree. Thus, timing is critical. Farmers should monitor the size and color of the fruit, looking for signs of maturity. When harvesting, it's essential to use sharp tools to avoid damaging the tree or the fruit. Wearing gloves is advisable, as the latex sap can be sticky and irritating. Harvesting at the right time ensures the best flavor and texture, making it more appealing to consumers. Finally, the last secret to success in jackfruit farming is understanding the market. Before planting, farmers should research local demand and potential buyers, whether they are markets, restaurants, or wholesalers. Establishing relationships with potential buyers early on can create a steady market for the harvest. Additionally, farmers should consider diversifying their product offerings, such as producing dried jackfruit or jackfruit chips, to reach a broader audience. Staying informed about market trends and consumer preferences will help farmers maximize their profits and ensure the sustainability of their farming venture. In conclusion, jackfruit farming is a rewarding endeavor that combines the beauty of nature with the satisfaction of nurturing life. By understanding the climate, soil, variety selection, planting techniques, irrigation, nutrition, pest management, pruning, harvesting, and market dynamics, aspiring farmers can navigate the complexities of this agricultural practice. Each secret serves as a stepping stone toward success, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth. With dedication and knowledge, anyone can embark on the journey of jackfruit farming, reaping the fruits of their labor in more ways than one.